Hey, planner babes, welcome back to Pretty Face Plans. This is Shonda and it's time for me to plan for the upcoming week, which is March 1st through the 7th, first full week of March, in my classic size happy planner. And I am using this is my Year of Dreams Coming True horizontal layout planner this year, and I've been sticking with it, and I think horizontal might be my place of planner piece. So I've been really enjoying planning horizontally, and as a matter of fact, when the new releases come out, I'm looking to buy another horizontal planner. Anyway, so I am going to be featuring my favorite stationery sticker shop, which is, do you know what it is? You should know what it is. I do. I talk about it every week. It is Goldmine and Coco, and I'm using this Discipline Yourself weekly kit as my kit. And then I have some washi that I'm going to add in that I believe this is Happy Planner washi, but I think it coordinates nicely with the colors that are in this kit and those dots. Also, I've pulled out some other little Happy Planner books, the Teacher book, the Flowers book, and the Colorful Boxes book to supplement this kit. And then finally in here, this came in the Advent calendar this year, this little folder. And in here I just keep loose sheets of stickers. And here I have some like pieces of kits that I haven't used that I plan to go back and use the rest of those sheets. But what I want out of here are these dots that coordinate with this spread too. So I'm just going to take both of those sheets out because I might need both of them. And now okay, so I've already told you what I plan to use in this spread, and I am going to attempt something I've never attempted before, and that is going to be to do a voiceover. So I'm going to kind of be quiet, maybe put some music on low in the background, and come back in and voice over the track to talk about what I did in the spread. So this is an experiment for me because I've never done a voiceover, and the reason that I want to try the voiceover is because sometimes I get so engrossed in what I'm doing with the spread I forget to talk. So we're going to see if that works a little bit better for me, and then if it does, we'll keep it up, and if it doesn't, we'll move on to the next thing. Okay, so the first thing that I did was go in with my kit and use the days of the week headers to replace the headers that were already on the sheet. And I had a little bit of difficulty getting those off of the sheet trying to use my nails, but finally got the hang of it and used the tweezers to help me keep the stickers straight because I can't do it with just my fingers. That tweezer really helps with lining things up. So that was Saturday and then Sunday. Next, I come in with some of the dotted washi, and I like to put that in random places along the paper to cover up some of the lines. And as you can see there, my idea of trying to use the ruler to rip didn't work out so well, so I'm going to have to find my X-Acto knife blade. Just adding in some more washi. I think I put it in about 4 different places on the sheet, kind of alternating lines and the lengths of it, because I will come in later, you'll see, and cover up the missing pieces where the lines are not covered with stickers. Next, I go into my Flowers book and add that pretty teal flower. It matches that washi just perfectly. And now I'm going to add in some boxes for Monday. So I grab my quarter box. I thought I grabbed a quarter box, yep. And then I lay that down, and then looking for some dots or something to start me a checklist on that. So I found my little to-do label, and then I am going to put that right there. Next, I get the washi dots by Goldmine and Coco, max them up, and then create me a list. I like to do things in 3, so you see I put 3 dots there, and I am now ready to move on to Tuesday. So for Tuesday, I get me another piece of floral out of that floral book, a box, and I write major things that's going on for the day in the box. And now I'm going to do me a to-do list for Tuesday, and that's where I write just kind of small task I have to do. And I decided to go with pink washi dots on that because you'll see in a moment I'm going to grab another floral, and the floral is going to have pink in it. So that flower that I just mentioned there. So putting that down in the right hand corner of that page at the bottom, using my scissors to trim it off. I did that out of frame, sorry about that. But here I got me another little pink flower, a couple of those to add in some more pink. I take one of the little boxes from the kit that says task list and add that in there, and then I decided to kind of layer it on top of the 2 little pink flowers that I put there. Next, I'm doing my to-do list. You see me pop up and make sure I have that aligned with where I put the list on Monday, and I chose a different color dot that coordinated with the lighter color in the flower. Put my little Goldmine and Coco doll that's so cute, sticking her right there in between Wednesday and Thursday. Next up, I am going back to the kit, getting that out of the way, checking what I have to do for the week, adding me a box for my main event on Wednesday, and just had to go back and readjust that box. It wasn't looking very straight to me, and I decided to make it pink because since I added the pink dots in there, I felt like I needed that pop of color. Put it back down, it's still crooked. I'm noticing that now. Okay, so now that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Making me a little today list on Thursday, and I'm sorry that's a little bit out of frame, and that side of the page is done. Moving on to Friday. Another big flower cluster or spray, and pulling it up and trimming it off on the corners right there, and then I am going to go back into the kit, grab another box, layer that over the flowers a little bit. That box is a quote box, and then I put my main event box on there, starting the to-do list with the checklist and the washi dots. Friday's done. Moving on to Saturday, and I'm trying to use up all of the pieces of the kit, so that's what you see me doing there. Okay, right there I have an appointment on Saturday morning, so putting that there. That box is so small, I put that in another box because I write the name of the appointment and the time, so I'll have enough room to write because I write so big. Adding another little sticker over the florals. This time I used a get it done checklist or header for my checklist, and the pink washi dots. Saturday is done. Okay, getting ready to do Sunday, and we're just about finished. Adding another pink floral in, trying to decide which header I want to use on there. Decided all over the place, went back over there and added those headers in so I could use up the kit. So I put those over the main event, just using up all parts of my Goldmine and Coco kit. Now I am going to work on Sunday. Put me a little box there. I can't really read what that one says, I forgot. And then I was going to use the notes box, but I decided let's put a beautiful floral in there, and I ended up bringing in another color. I don't like that I covered up most of that floral. Down there at the bottom, I decided to use up the rest of the kit with a meal prep header, and then a small checklist. The next one is a different header exercise, my different exercises, I believe that says. And then finally, things I need to buy. And then I use all of those checklists. So I'm just about finished with the whole Goldmine and Coco kit. Now I'm just going in and adding some other little details to finish off the page and make everything be colorful and cohesive, and pretty much using up all of the stickers on that floral sheet, which I have off to the side so you can't see. Sorry about that. Then finally I'm going in to get a birthday sticker for my nephew because his birthday is on the 1st. And so I put that on there on that box because that's going to be my major event for that day. It's his 2nd birthday. He's so cute, his little 2-year-old stuff, but he's always into something. Then finally I go back and with my dates and holidays sticker book from the Happy Planner, I add in the small little numbers on there because they were on there, but my Goldmine and Coco days of the week covers covered the numbers up. So that's what you see me doing there, going in and adding in all of the dates for the week, just because I like to have them there. Not that I necessarily needed them. And that's it, guys. The spread is complete. Okay, so before I get out of here, I'd like some help with naming my little gnome right here. So drop a comment below to let me know what you would call him. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of my videos, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that red subscription button and the gray notification bell, because if you're not already a subscriber, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Guys, it's been real. It's been fun. I hope it's been real fun. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.